So how are you? You know,
Yes, I'm doing great. Thank you
you're
for
doing
asking.
great.
And how
Yeah,
about you?
yeah, I'm also great. I'm also fine. So how has your day been?
It has been fine still.
It's fine.
So
Yeah,
yeah, yeah.
that's nice. Okay. So, anyways, so we are meeting for the second time. So I don't think so that I need to introduce myself again. You already know me, right?
Yes, yes,
Yeah.
right.
So till now, how many sessions do you have had with us with English Yari?
Yeah, pardon.
How many sessions do you have taken? In
I
English
have
Yari?
5 sessions in English.
5 sessions. And how were
Yeah,
they? They were nice.
yeah, yeah. They all are nice.
You're liking it?
Yes, definitely.
That's great. That's great. Okay. Anyhow, do you know the topic for the day?
Yes, the topic is actor, about
Yeah.
actor.
Yes, yes, it's about actor. Very right. And so, would you like to talk about this topic, or you have something else to talk about?
Whatever you want. Today I want to know from your side.
No. If you want to know my perspective and point of view, then I'm fine with both the things. If you want to talk about the topic, then also I'm fine. If you have something else, some specific topic, then also I'm fine. I can talk both the things. Whatever you want. Like it's your session. मर्जी आपकी चलेगी. Whatever you will say, I will do that.
Yeah, okay, okay. So we can continue with topic also.
Topic only, na? All right, fine. So, as the topic of the day is actor, so I have few questions with me, and I'm gonna ask you one by one. There are 4 to 5 questions. All right now.
Now later.
Yeah. Yeah. And before that, you know what? I have seen some of your videos on YouTube. Yeah, so I think you keep on uploading a few videos. Like once or twice a week on your channel, isn't?
Yeah, 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 right.
Yeah, yeah, and I saw a few comments. Nice, very nice, and this and that. Nice conversation. Yeah, so I think that's a great thing. So
Mm.
yeah. Anyhow, yeah. Tell me.
Yeah, I was thinking, thank you.
Yeah, yeah. You're welcome. Okay. So as I've already told you that I have 5 questions with me, and I'm gonna ask you one by one. So should we start?
Definitely, we can.
Yeah. So my first question to you is, what do you understand by the word actors?
Actors. So, yes, my opinion about actor.
Mm-hmm.
Basically, they are who portrays anything in their own character. So, means whatever they are portraying in front of you. So, that is not like a real. That is they are just portraying as a real life. Okay, so they convince you that is this is the real. So by this way you can understand that means the whole story and whatever, like actor is not only for just like what Bollywood actor. They can whatever, just like I can say any dancer, they're also acting means whatever they have, something something is special there for which through which they can understand
Mm.
you and
Yeah.
whatever they want to just portray at that time. So like singing and dancing and also yes, acting, these all are comes under actor, I think, in actor.
Yeah, yeah, very true. That was a very nice explanation about the word actor. All right.
Yes,
Yeah,
yes,
so I also think in the same way only. So do you also think that acting is difficult or it is easy? What would you like to say on this?
first thing that I would like to say, nothing is easy. Just means, okay, if you are want to be something, so you have to just dedicate it for this, and also do some effort, some hard work. Then you will be. So it.
You
I
would able
can't
to
say that.
achieve.
Yeah, that I can't say that it is so easy. Just you can be a actor, whatever you are. No, no. So you have, before that you have to be, do some practice and
Yes.
so some effort from your side, and
Hmm.
also take, it takes time. everything takes time. Every success takes time. So like that, that is, I think.
That's it.
What,
Okay. Yeah.
what
Yeah. Yeah.
is your opinion? I would like to know.
Yeah, okay, so you would like to know my opinion on this. So yeah, I also think in the same way only. In this world, nothing comes for free. You have to give some efforts. You have to work hard for your dream, and that is how you will achieve your goals and all. And you should be very much passionate about your passion. So that's the thing which I would like to say. You know. Yeah.
Okay, okay.
So who is your favorite actor? You know.
My favorite actor,
Yeah.
Akshay Kumar.
Akshay Kumar,
So
that Khiladi. Okay, so why is your favorite actor? Because I also like him, because he's that Khiladi or Khiladi, So
yes,
why he's your favorite actor? Any
you know,
specific thing?
yeah,
Yeah.
specific thing because he is well disciplined. Here means I just somewhere read some article about him.
Mhm.
So that time I realized really he's a great personality.
Yeah.
Means in any company we can means in a normal society people can say that if you are in any company then company can change you, but it is not with him. He is in that company means in the Bollywood there are many personality in different kind of personality, but he
Yes.
never changed himself. Whatever he is, still he is. So that is so far that I understand.
Yes, yes. I also like him because he's also a fitness freak. He wakes up at I think 4 o'clock in the morning, and all that stuff. I think he is very much into fitness. So
Yes.
yeah, that's the reason why I like him. And do you remember any of his famous dialogues? Like I remember this one. जो मैं बोलता हूँ वो मैं करता हूँ और जो मैं नहीं बोलता हूँ मैं definitely करता हूँ from this Ravli Rathore. There was this very famous dialogue. So can you also remember some of the dialogues?
Yeah, I'm so poor in dialogues. But
No, no, it's fine. It's fine. It happens. Okay, so tell me one of his movies, which you found it was very interesting for you and all, you know.
okay, so I'm not so much interested in movie exactly. That
Okay,
is
okay, fine.
so
Okay, yeah.
I yeah, I haven't seen any recent movie. So yeah, I can say some one movie that is Dhadkan, which is so means
Dhadkan, yeah. Dhadkan, na, that Shilpa Shetty, Sunil Shetty, and then
yes,
Akshay Kumar. Yes, yes, yeah. That,
was
that was a very, yeah. Tell me.
yes, that was one movie and that I had seen. I also had seen, I think, some other like in which Hera Fairy, I think, which one in
Yes,
which yeah,
Hera Fairy, Babu Ram
maybe
and Babu Rao, yeah.
yeah. It was so creative. So yes,
Yeah,
yes.
it was
It's,
so
he
fun.
also makes you, I think, laugh and also motivate you for fitness and
Yes.
daily routine. This all are stuff. So well mannered.
Okay, so are you jealous that he is married?
No, no, no,
No,
no,
no,
not
no,
like
no.
this.
Okay. So I thought that you are in love with him. That's why I asked you this question. Because you know what?
Much
So you don't have
difference.
any.
I
Yeah,
never
tell me.
so much difference between him and me. So I never think about this. I'm not like this.
Yeah, but you know what? Most of the people they have celebrity crush. So do you have any or no?
No, 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 no. I don't think so.
Yeah, that's fine.
They
That's
are
fine.
good. Okay, whatever they are doing, really, it's nice. Okay, they are doing for society. They are making us entertain. So it's all good. But if you
Okay.
are saying like crush and all, so it is not in my
Yeah,
bucket
no,
list.
it's fine. It's fine. Every person has this different mentality.
Even
It's fine.
sometime I just wonder that why people are crushing them. They are whatever. Means, okay, their own perspective.
Yeah. And you know what? Who is my favorite actor? Can you do any random guess?
You already mentioned like Akshay Kumar is your favorite.
No, I like him, but he's
Okay.
not my favorite actor.
Okay.
So can you just do this random guess that who will be my favorite actor? Just a random guess. Tukka.
Oh, Tukka. I don't know. How can I guess?
Yeah. He, you know what, he's Mr. Shah Rukh Khan, you know, I love him
Oh,
a lot. Yeah, the way how he acts, no, it's very amazing. You know, and
yes.
he's having this very charming personality.
Yeah, yeah, wait. Okay.
Eh,
Yes, yes. His movies are also nice. Like, which one? Kabhi Kusi Kabhi Gum, that I remember.
yes, yes, yes. I've seen that one. Yeah,
Just
it's a
that
very nice
movie.
movie, you know.
Many
Yeah.
times I also seen this, means watched that movie.
Hmm.
And his acting was superb in that movie.
Yeah, yeah. He has a very amazing acting skills and all. I totally agree with you on this.
Yes, yes. So,
Okay. Yeah,
okay.
tell me.
Could I ask?
Yeah, yeah. Please, please. You know, never
Who is your
hesitate. You can
favorite,
ask me anything, whatever you want to. Yeah.
who is your favorite actress?
Actress. Okay. So I think. Wait. I think it's Disha Patni or Patani,
Oh.
whatever was her name. Do you know her?
Yeah, yeah, yeah. By MS Dhoni, The Untold Story.
Yeah. Yes. Yes. Yes.
Yes,
True.
yes, yes.
True. So she's. What about you?
Yes, yes. Also, she's nice, but I like, Madhuri Dixit.
Madhuri Dixit, yeah, she was in yeah, yeah. I think she's having a very nice personality, I would like to say, you know, and she's
Yeah.
very beautiful, yeah, right now.
So,
Yeah, 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 she is great. Yeah. You have any more questions?
no, no, no.
No more
We can-
questions? Yeah. All right. So, okay. Do you think that there is a difference between real life and real life?
Yes, yes. Why not? There is so much difference between real life and real life, because
Hmm.
real life, whatever they are, portraying at that time, okay, we just watch that, but we can't say that they are actually they are like this. Never, because in every
Yeah.
scene, every picture, in every movie, they are doing different role. So how could we say that the real life and real life is the
Yeah, yes. But you know what? Sometimes we people we imagine that we wish that we also had that life, you know. So do you also think that you know that people should come to you and and they should take your autograph and all, and they should take selfies with you and all? So have you ever thought like that?
no, I never because
Never, never.
I never thought, because in my mind I never thinking to be like a celebrity and all. So because from since the childhood I was just studying, and I was just carrying, and I was so much worry about my future, to become uh, just a successful person, not a celebrity, because
Yeah, yeah.
I can say celebrity is never been in my bucket list.
Yeah, yeah, I got it. Like, so you don't want to have a lot of followers, right? You're just fine with your normal life. This is what you want to say?
Yeah, good. But
Yeah.
you have to be satisfied with them. If you are satisfied, then it's a fine. No need to be just.
Yeah, no need to be jealous of them, that they are having this much followers, 90 million, 80 million and all. They're earning a huge amount of money and we are like normal people. We aren't earning that much, you know?
Yeah, yeah. No, no, no. I
You
never,
know, yeah, yeah.
never. Yeah, never jealous. Everyone has their own life, so
Yeah.
okay. Okay, why should we compare them to ourselves?
Yes, everyone is different. True. And you know what? When I was 8 years or 10 years old, I used to think that I wish my dad was Shah Rukh Khan. That kids mentality. We all used to think that right now. So
So
have you? Yeah, yeah. Tell me.
uh, are you used to doing acting
You're asking
whenever,
me.
yeah, in your
Your,
leisure time? Are you
your
used to
voice is
do?
cracking.
Yeah, yeah. Hello, am I audible?
Yeah, now it's coming. Yeah, tell me.
I'm saying that. in your leisure time, never you are you ever used to do acting?
No, never ever. You know, I just like actors. I hate acting because I think it's very difficult, and yeah. But I think I will try in future. I'm not very sure about that right now, but maybe in future, maybe after 5 or 6 years, no one knows.
Yeah, you can try.
So,
Yes, yes.
yeah, I
If
should try now.
if something in our mind and we want to be like this, then we must try once. Either we
Yeah,
are failed or
give it a try.
just
Yes.
yeah.
Yeah, very true. All right. Now let's come back to our topic. So now my next question to you is, have you met any actor in real life? Any actor?
No, no.
No.
And you?
Well, yeah, yes. You know,
Who's
she was the first one was SSR,
okay?
Sushant Singh Rajput, and the
Okay.
second one was this. I'm not. Both of them are singers, and they are married, and I'm not able to recall their names. Mm, yeah, should I Google it right now, or should I tell you in our next session?
Yes, Ganon.
Now?
No need.
No, no. If you want, I can Google it right now, and I can tell you their names. Even I have the selfie with them. If you want to see.
You are right now in Mumbai, huh?
Yeah, yeah. That's the reason. In Mumbai, we are very lucky. We get a lot of chance to meet different celebrities. So that's the thing. Yeah.
But
Yeah. So yeah, I
I'm
think I was very lucky. I'm still very lucky. That
yes,
I'm
yes.
living in Mumbai right now. That's a good
Yeah,
thing.
yeah.
Yeah. So do
Should
you
proud.
also?
Like always, you should be proud of yourself.
You can say that. And like, do you also want to, visit Mumbai, Delhi, Bangalore, or somewhere like this?
I no.
You're
I
happy
never.
in your town or you're happy in your village, right?
Yeah. I visited Nasik, but not Mumbai and Bangalore. No.
No? No, it's
Yeah.
fine. It's fine. Yeah.
Okay.
So, anyways, now we have come to an end to this session. So, is there any questions which you would like to ask me?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So yes.
Tell me,
I
tell
have
me,
one
tell me.
question.
Yeah.
One
Please
question
ask.
for you. That what you want to become and means in which you will be happy.
Okay, so you know what? Right now, I'm a banking aspirant, and I want to be a PO, probationary officer in SBI. So yeah, that is what I want to be.
Yeah. No. You also mentioned about your acting and also. I think maybe that is your
Yeah,
goal.
acting. You know what? There is a lot of nepotism in Bollywood, Hollywood, and everywhere out there. So my papa, he doesn't have any connections with Bollywood stars. So then the journey might be difficult. So acting, yeah, that is my option. Or that is my plan B. If A
Okay.
didn't, yeah, if A doesn't work, then I would like to go with the B one. So acting as a second option. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah,
Right.
because there are many people who are trying to be an actor right now,
Yes.
but
Yes.
the reality. So
Yeah. Yeah.
that is the thing, you know.
That because yeah, you are not a star kid, so you
Yeah,
have to
that's the
be
thing. That's the thing,
do more effort, do more hard work.
Yes,
Then maybe. But I'm not pretty sure
maybe.
about.
Hmm. Because yeah, that's the thing. Now you already know that. If you're not a star kid, then the things are not very easy for you. Yeah, true.
Uh, Things are so tough for you if you want to
Right.
be a.
Yeah. So any more questions?
No. Regarding this topic, no more question.
Apart from
Okay.
this topic, you have any more questions?
Yeah. A part of this topic. So just I want to know some, some English speaking tips, because I want to know that I am speaking, is it good or not, and also from your side some better tips.
So you are
Every
asking for your feedback, like the mistakes which you have made, and the second thing which you would like to know is that tips and tricks how to improve your English right now.
yeah.
Yeah. So yeah, so the first thing which I will give you is the feedback, and next I will give you the tips and tricks. All right now.
All right.
Okay. So you know what? In today's session, I have noticed only two mistakes. The first one is that you said you're talking about your childhood, and then you said you were so much worry about academics and all, right? But here you should say I was so much worried. Not worry.
Very.
Worry is the present tense. Worried. Yeah, that's right. This was the first mistake, and the second mistake is you said I visited Nasik or somewhere. You said, you know, I have visited. You should use the helping verb have. Actually, we have. I have visited to Nashik, whatever the case was. Yeah, so this were the two mistakes which I have noticed. And now coming to your tips and tricks. So, you know, the first thing which I would like to tell you is to watch and as well as listen. You know, listen English videos, English songs as much as possible. You know, I know the first. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, because you know what, when you're listening now, your mind will get used to it by listening only. All right. So when you listen, you will remember that exact words because and the second thing is to watch. When you watch English movies and all now, you will get to know a lot of new words like procrastination, you know,
Yeah.
patient.
Yes.
Then some new words you will get to know, and by that your vocabulary will increase. So yeah, watch English videos as much as possible. And third tip, this tip I give to everyone. I think I have already suggested you this. I don't know, I'm not very sure about this. Think in English. Have I suggested you this earlier?
Yeah. Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah. So think in English is a very important factor because we always have this habit that we always think in Hindi or whatever our native language is. So think in English. Yeah. So I think, and the fourth one is read newspapers. Because reading newspaper, you know, I tell you the reason. You know, sab bolte hai ki read newspapers, but what is the reason? What is the main reason? You know
Yeah.
what? When you will read newspapers, now your sentence formation will improve. You know how to, and you know, in newspapers only you will realize this when to use have, when to use have been, has been, or whatever it is, you know. So I think
Yes.
reading newspaper is a very great thing, so you should do that. Yeah, so this were the few tips and tricks which I would like to suggest you.
Definitely, I will try to do.
Yeah, please try it. Okay, so now you have any more questions?
Yeah. No.
Okay, so now I think it's my turn for the feedback. So did you like the session?
Yes, definitely. I like this session, and it was nice session with you. Means this is all about actor, and I also came to know something about from your side. So yeah,
Yeah.
the session was very nice.
Yeah, same here. Thanks a lot for complimenting me. And you have no more questions, right?
Okay.
All right,
No.
now.
Yeah.
Okay, all right. So, Shika, it was very nice talking to you, and I hope that we'll meet in our next session. So, till then, now, goodbye and take care.
Okay. Bye bye.
Bye.